Look how pretty that is, Maurice.
You got that.
Well, look how pretty that is. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll show you when you get back. Yes, indeed. Look at the sun, how beautiful it is. Yeah. Looks like a cube, doesn't it? Well, this is called an egg. One hell of a drone, I tell you that. The egg that could fly. It's artificially intelligent. Very artificial and intelligent. Takes a video of things as they are. It's an angel. These machines are angels in disguise. I'm a nutcase. I'm a nut for life, man. A nut for life. Anyone who wants to know me just needs to sit with me. Yeah, it's called an egg. X in the figure of an X. You know, with all the stuff going on with the celebrities and all that, I get it. Life is an act. And when the actors turn bad, what do you got left, man? Your inner acts. Y'all better keep those inner acts to yourselves, because there's people recording that stuff, it seems, man. Everything's got eyes in the sky, so life is good, and of course, life is bad. On my end, it's great. Even if it was bad, it's still great. I mean, humans are the only ones who divide each other. I mean, once you take God out of yourself, nothing can exist. Keep it simple. I'm not that stupid. Anyhow, enjoy this video. This is an in-flight GPS drone.